Luke Bozeman, Group Leader, Field Biology for BASF. Over the last few years, there's been a lot of press about reductions in monarch populations. And one of the contributing factors that has been given as to the reduction in population has been milkweed, the decline in milkweed throughout North America because of production agriculture. One thing that we would argue is that farmers have been controlling milkweed in their fields for a long time. And we're not suggesting that they stop controlling milkweed in their fields. What we are suggesting and showing how to implement is how they can convert some of their marginal areas, non-crop areas, to more diverse planting to attract monarchs and other species like pollinators as well. This past year we established some milkweed refuge areas at our research farm in North Carolina. We were evaluating how effectively we can establish milkweed from direct seeding, from planting transplants, and also by planting root sections. We replicated this study as a spring planting and also as a fall planting. We're very successful. We saw that direct seeding is a very difficult way. Our success rate was pretty low with direct seeding. However, transplanting and also using root sections, we're able to effectively establish some milkweed areas and have monarch reproducing at the farm. I think what we did demonstrate is that just by having the availability of plants, you do create an area that's attractive to female monarchs for laying eggs, which then hatch and the larvae feed directly on the milkweed, and the generation cycles. I think what I expect to see this next year is an increase in monarch activity at that site. So we're very interested in expanding our research, not only at our North Carolina farm, but also in other areas in the Midwest. The Midwest is a very important area for monarch butterflies. That overwintering generation, about 50% of the population that does make it to Mexico originates in the Midwestern U.S. So we'd like to conduct some of our research within that area. I think it'd be a good way to get a lot of good information. There's going to be a need for growers to actively participate in increasing on-farm biodiversity. So what we're trying to do now is engage with growers to give them information so they can make the decision if they want to begin converting areas of their farm that make sense to more diverse habitat.
This video is brought to you by Farms.com.